Hello guys, welcome to another swing trade video. My name is Anthony and I make content about swing and positional trades based on demand and supply. If this is something that interests you, consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a question that was posted by a subscriber in one of my previous videos. So this video is dedicated to you. Along with that, in the process of answering the question, we will also look at this stock, which I think could give us an amazing move in the coming months. All of that and more right after this intro. The question was, how do you draw a demand zone? Now in demand zones, we have two types, the continuation pattern and the reversal pattern. So I'm marking out the continuation pattern here. If you notice, we had a good rally, base rally. This is the continuation pattern of the demand zone. Now, if you notice, in the month of March, the price moved down almost 15%. And in the same month, it recovered. And in the next month, it moved approximately 25%. That is the power of a demand zone. And not only this, in the month of June, the price retraced back, falling around 20% again. But then, if you notice, the price from its low moved approximately 40%. That is how powerful monthly demand zones are. So to understand the psychology behind this is the leg-in candle, which indicates that the price was moving up. But then, this is the important part, the base candle. This indicates a fight between the buyers and sellers. And finally, this is the leg out candle that helps us identify if this is actually a demand zone. The reason being simple. If you notice the three candles, it's trying to convey that the price was trying to move higher, but then sellers came in the base candle and started to take the prices lower. However, within this range, the buyers took control again and then made the prices to go higher. Okay. And what we can expect is whenever the price is back into this zone, it will move back higher because there are orders here. Okay. Huge institutional orders that are present here. So this is pretty much the psychology behind a demand zone and especially a continuation pattern. Now let's see how a reversal pattern demand zone looks like. I'm marking the reversal pattern demand zone now. And this is also pretty similar. We have the leg-in candle here, wherein the price was moving down, but then in the base candle, there was a fight between the buyers and the sellers. And at this point, buyers came back in, taking the price much higher. So what we can expect is, whenever the price moves back into this zone, we can expect that it will take support again from this previous buying pressure, and then the buyers will step in, taking the prices much higher. Okay. Now, if you notice, from its high, the price had moved down around 25%. Okay. But after entering our demand zone, the price from its low moved around 33%. Now that the theory is out of the way, let us look at the opportunity that ASIANPAINT is providing us. I'm expecting around 25% move in the coming months, and this is the logic behind it. If you notice, we have a monthly demand zone here. Okay. So whenever the price enters into this zone, we can start taking our long positions. Of course, the stop loss will be below the demand zone. But the problem with directly trading on the demand zone is that the stop loss levels are a bit on the higher side. If you notice, the stop loss in this trade would be around 6.2%. And that would give us a risk to reward ratio of around 3.5. Okay. But we can refine this a bit further. On the weekly time frame, if you notice, the stock was in this huge downtrend, and then this was the previous swing high, that is the lower low, and then see, this is the demand zone on the weekly time frame from where the buying pressure actually originated to break this previous high and then break this high as well, and then finally breaking this high. Although the price did not close above this high, it is still broken. So what I'm expecting is, whenever the price comes into this zone, it will start moving back up. So I'm planning my entry parameter something like this. My entry here, stop loss below this, and targeting the previous highs. Now, refining this on the weekly time frame gave us a better picture and also it increased our RR ratio. If we had traded on the monthly time frame, our reward ratio would have been around 3.5. Now, just by refining a few things, we are now able to get around a 5:1 RR in the same trade. I hope this video has helped you understanding the concepts of demand and supply. As always, if you like this video, please give it a like. It really does help with the algorithm. If you want to see more such videos, please go and subscribe to my channel. It might be very trivial for you, but it really helps me and keeps me motivated to make more such content for you guys. And as always, you can add any of your doubts in this video or any other concepts that you would like me to clarify on, and I will definitely do my best in answering them. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.